Good morning student, class 12th. Exercise 4.2, not in syllabus. There is a topic determinant. And exercise 4.3 is in syllabus. In this exercise, there is an area of triangle. Student, let there is a triangle whose vertices are A, B, C, and coordinate of A is x1, y1, coordinate of B x2, y2, and coordinate of C x3, y3. Then area of triangle is given by 1 upon 2. First column x1, x2, x3. Second column y1, y2, y3, and third column is 1, 1, 1. When we expand this determinant, then we will get the area of triangle. Now, see one question. Here, find the area of the triangle with vertices at the point. Question number 1, first part. Vertices are 1, 0, 6, 0, and 4, 3. Therefore, area of triangle is 1 upon 2. Here x1 is 1, x2 6, and x3 4. y1 0, y2 0, and y3 is 3, and 1, 1, 1. Now we expand it with respect to R1. Then it is 1 upon 2, 1. Then determinant is 0, 1, 3, 1 minus 0, then it will be 0 plus 1, and determinant 6, 0, 4, 3. Then it is 1 upon 2. Now we expand it. There is 1 into minus 3 plus this will be 0. 18 minus 0. It is 1 upon 2 minus 3 plus 18. Then it is 1 upon 2 into 15. And it is 7.5 square units. So area of this triangle is 7.5. Area can't be negative. So whenever we will get the negative result, right, then we will write only the numerical value. Now student, next is collinearity of the 3 points. There is one logic, collinearity of the 3 points. Condition of collinearity of 3 points. Student, let ABC are the 3 points, they lie on a line. Then these points are said to be collinear points. Now, there is a condition. If area of the triangle is 0, then points are said to be collinear. So, what is the condition? Condition that x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, and 1, 1, 1. This particular determinant is 0. Where coordinate of A is x1, y1, coordinate of B x2, y2, and coordinate of C x3, y3. Now see the question based on it. Question number 2 from exercise 4.3. So that the points coordinate A, comma B plus C, B coordinate B, comma C plus A, and C coordinate A, comma C, comma A plus B are collinear. Collinear. There is a collinearity. So for that, this determinant A, B, C, then B plus C, then C plus A, and A plus B, and 1, 1, 1 should be 0. We will check the value of this determinant should be 0. Now we expand it. Actually, properties of determinant not in syllabus. If we apply the property, then it becomes very simple, but property is not in syllabus, so we will expand it. Then it is A into C plus A minus A minus B. Then minus B expanding with respect to C1. B into B plus C minus A minus B. Then C into B plus C minus C minus A. For A, we will multiply C plus A with 1, then minus A plus B into 1. Then for B, there is a minus sign convention, then B plus C multiply with 1, then A plus B multiply A with 1, and there is a minus sign. When we go down to up, then there is a minus sign. Then there is a C, B plus C multiply with 1, then minus A plus B multiply with 1. Now here CC cancel, this side BB cancel, and here AA cancel. Then it is AC minus AB minus BC plus AB plus BC minus CA. Now again check. AC cancel, AB cancel, BC cancel. So result is 0. Hence, given points are collinear. Given points are collinear. There is a condition of collinearity. Now question 3. Find values of K if area of triangle is 4 square units and vertices are. There is the first part. Vertices K, 0, 4, 0 and 0, 2. And area is given 4 square unit. Therefore, area of triangle delta is 1/2 x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. Here it is 4, 1/2, determinant K, 4, 0, 0, 0, 2, 1, 1, 1. Now we expand it with respect to R1. Then K into, there is a 0, minus 2. minus 0 plus 1 into 4 into 2 minus 0. Then 4 equal to 1 upon 2 minus 2k plus 8. 2 common, it is minus k plus 4. Is cancel 4. 4 is minus k plus 4. So k is 0 here. 4 cancel. Then minus k equal to 0 implies that k equal to 0. So value of k is 0 for area of triangle.